Hello, today we will guide you through how to export data from Qualtrics to Excel. If you need to review survey results outside of Qualtrics, exporting them to Excel is a simple and useful option. This makes it easier to sort responses, filter data, share results with others, or continue your analysis in a spreadsheet format. To begin, open your survey in Qualtrics so you are on the Edit Survey page. This is the starting point where you can access the different areas of your project. Once you are there, look at the top navigation bar and select Data and Analysis. This section is where Qualtrics stores and organizes the responses collected for your survey, so it is the place you will use whenever you want to review or export participant data. After the Data and Analysis page opens, find and click Export and Import. This menu gives you options for moving survey data in and out of Qualtrics. Since the goal here is to create a spreadsheet file, the next thing to select is Export Data. When you click this, Qualtrics opens the export settings so you can choose the format you want to download. From the list of available file types, choose Excel. This option is ideal if you want to work with your survey responses in Microsoft Excel or upload the file into another program that accepts spreadsheet data. Choosing the correct format is important because it determines how your data will be structured once it is downloaded. Once Excel is selected, click Download. Qualtrics will then prepare the export file for you. Depending on the size of your survey and the number of responses collected, this may take a few moments. After the file is ready, it will download to your computer, usually into your default downloads folder, unless your browser is set up differently. At that point, you can open the file in Excel and begin reviewing your data. If you are working with a large number of responses, it may help to save a copy of the original export before making any edits, so you always have a clean version to return to later. It is also a good idea to quickly scan the spreadsheet after downloading it to confirm the data exported the way you expected. That's all it takes to export data from Qualtrics to Excel. Once you have done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and straightforward.